Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on your Shopify shop. So once you're on your Shopify admin board, you'd want to go on the left-hand side here on the bottom and then press on Settings. Here, you'll see the shipping and delivery option. Just press that. And then let's just make a new profile. Here, we can create a profile of a shipping. So for example, this shipping profile will be for fragile products. So let's just type in fragile products, just like that. And then let's add a product. So this is the product that will be covered by this profile. So of course, a glass vase because it's fragile. If you have other things like candy or maybe things like metal, which isn't exactly fragile, you can make another profile for that shipping as well. Here, you can pick the shop location. I'm in Indonesia, so I'm just going to leave that be. And then create the zone. Let's create a zone. Here's some pre-made one. I'm just going to press Asia. Done. And then let's add a rate. Add a rate is the price, basically. You can use a carrier or app to calculate the rates, but in here, I'm going to show you how to use a flat rate. So the shipping rate will be custom. The custom rate name will be, well, this is standard shipping, for example. This is standard. And then the custom deliveries description. There's things like tracking number provided, made to order, shipped next day, or you can type in your own. I'm just going to put in tracking number provided, just like that. And then the price will be 100 rupiah. Done. You can also add another rate. This time it'll be called express delivery. It just says ship next day, and then the price is even more expensive. There you go. Done. And now you have a standard rate and then an express rate to give your customer some options, I guess. You can also add markets if you'd like, but I'm not going to do that for that example because that's a whole nother video. But after you're done with this, let's just press save. And now, as you can see, our shipping has been set.